Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on UWM Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in uwm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for UWM or the United Wholesale Mortgage website. Now click on the Ease Login option at the top right corner and you will end up within your login portal. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up to create your account within the email section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your UWM Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the having trouble logging in option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on UWM Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.